Okay guys, this is gonna be the saddest moment for a little bit. The thing is, don't get too scared yet. Whatever I do, don't get too scared. What I'm gonna do, don't get too scared, not too scared. Don't get any scared. I'll tell you later what I will do. That my Minecraft I cannot install it anymore. You're like, what? You're like, can I make Minecraft videos? Yes, I can, but I cannot play Minecraft in my tablet anymore. I need to play on the mobile. That's the thing. Yeah, that's that thing. But yeah, but I still don't have any subscribers, guys. If I don't get subscribers, I will never make dells for Minecraft Pocket Edition. Not Pocket Edition, PC Pocket anything. I'll end the challenge. Please subscribe. I'll see for like 2-3 months. But if I still don't get 1 subscriber, I will end this challenge quickly as possible. That's why please subscribe and turn on the notification bell close to the subscribe button. Click subscribe and click the bell and click on the little box area and click save, and it will be notified. Yeah, it's all good. If you want, I make some daily videos. These days I'm not making important videos, but if I get subscribers, I'll make more PC videos for you guys. If you guys give so many likes, subscribers, I get so many stuff, I will make my PC tutorial and videos on Friday and Saturday. That's why subscribe, turn on notification bell, like the video if you never want to miss it. I have another challenge but I don't work. I just end that challenge, but how much I remember I didn't tell. Yeah, I didn't tell that I'm gonna end the challenge, but I did. How much I remember, one of my challenge is end, but I don't want this challenge get end as well. When I'll get my new tablet, I'll make a new challenge. And if you want to get a new tablet, let me know in the comments. Subscribe, click on the notification bell. And I know this video is so slow, not slow, I mean this video is so short. This video is short. It's not that many minutes, like 10 or 20. It's 3 minutes, now it's 4 minutes. I will see you guys in the next one. Then subscribe, turn on notification. It is gonna be 4:12.